Hello student, today we are going to learn perimeter. This is part of chapter number 12, perimeter and area. Here we have given conversation between Sita and Salma. These are two friends. Sita, Salma, will you come to the market with me to buy a lace? Sita asks to her, will you come with me to buy lace? Salma, why do you need lace? Sita, I have a handkerchief. I want to trim it with lace. She have a handkerchief and she want to trim with lace. Therefore, they want to go in the market. Salma, how much lace do you need? Let us take a spool of thread. Hold one end of the thread at one corner of the handkerchief. Then slowly unwind the thread along all four corners of its side until you reach first corner. Cut it there. You will know how much lace you need by the length of thread you cut off. Now see here, this is a handkerchief. She measured the length of required lace by using thread. Now C is a spool of thread. Then put at one end of thread this handkerchief and then unwind it on the four sides. See, the second side, this is third side, and this is fourth side, and this is here we have to cut. Means we require this length of thread. Understood? ABC is a square handkerchief. The sum of the length of sides. See, this is a square handkerchief, and AB, BC, CD, and DA. These are four sides of the square, and we have to require the length of lace needed. This length is called perimeter of the handkerchief. This length is called perimeter of the square. Understood? The perimeter of square is sum of the length of all four sides of square. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. Sum of this length of all four sides. This is a perimeter of square. Second, now second shape is a shape of rectangle. Now the perimeter of this rectangle is sum of these four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can write down name here, P, Q, R and S. The perimeter of rectangle is sum of the length of all four sides of the rectangle. Means sum of these four sides, PQ, QR, RS and SP. Now next figure is a triangle. Now triangle have how many sides? 1, 2 and 3. The perimeter of triangle is sum of the length of all three sides of triangle. The perimeter of this triangle is sum of the length of these three sides. Means AB, BC and CA. Now see the next question. The figure shows a rectangle whose sides are 3 cm, 2 cm, 3 cm, 2 cm. Let us find out its perimeter. Now this figure shows a rectangle and whose sides are 3 cm, 2 cm, 3 cm and 2 cm. We have to ask to find the perimeter of this rectangle. Now the perimeter of rectangle is sum of the length of all four of its sides. Perimeter means we have to add the length of these four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 10. Therefore, the perimeter of this rectangle is 10 centimeter. Now see the second figure. The figure alongside is a square and all of its sides are 2 centimeter long. We have given a figure and this figure is a square and we have to ask the perimeter of this square. Now how many sides square have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means we have to add all length of all these 4 sides. The perimeter of square is sum of the length of its 4 sides. The length of side is 2 centimeter. Here 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter is equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of the square is equal to 8 centimeter. See the next figure. The sides of the triangle here are 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter long. Here we have given a figure of triangle and we have given sides and their length of sides. This sides of length 4 centimeter, this 5 centimeter and this 6 centimeter. Let us find out the perimeter of triangle and we have to ask find the perimeter of triangle. The perimeter of triangle is the sum of length of all 3 of its sides. Means we have to add these 3 sides. Means 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 15. Therefore, the perimeter of this triangle is 15 centimeter. Now we solve exercise. Exercise page number 71. Question number 1. Find the perimeter of the figure given below. First example. We have given a figure and we have to ask the perimeter of given figures. This shape is a rectangle shape and we have given the sides. See this 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and the length of this side is 4 centimeter. Length of this side is 1 centimeter. Again length of this side is 4 and this side is 1 centimeter. The perimeter of a rectangle is sum of the length of all 4 of its sides. Means we have to add 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 10 centimeter. Means perimeter of this figure is 10 centimeter. Now next example, second. This figure is a square because all sides are equal in length. See this side is 3 centimeter. This is also 3. This is also 3 and this is also 3 centimeter. The perimeter of square is sum of the length of its 4 sides. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12 centimeter. Means perimeter of this figure is 12 centimeter. Now third figure. This figure is a triangle. The perimeter of triangle is sum of the length of all of its 3 sides. We have to sum this length of 3 sides. This is 3 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12. Perimeter is equal to 12 centimeter. Perimeter of this triangle is 12 centimeter. Now next figure. This figure is a rectangle because opposite sides are equal. See this is 7 centimeter, this is also 7 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, this is also 2 centimeter. Therefore perimeter of this rectangle is sum of these 4 sides. 2 plus 7 plus 2 plus 7 is equal to 18 centimeter. Now see the next example. Now see this figure. This figure is a rectangle. See these sides are 3 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal. 3, 3, 4, 4. means perimeter of this rectangle is sum of length of 4 sides, means 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 14 centimeter. Means perimeter of this figure is 14 centimeter. Now question number 2. The sides of rectangular field are 150 meter, 120 meter, 150 meter, 120 meter. Find the perimeter of field. We have given a field and ask what is the perimeter of this field, and these are rectangular field, and the length of each side is 150 centimeter, then second 120, third again 150, and fourth 120 meter. The perimeter of rectangle is sum of the length of all 4 sides of rectangle. 4 sides of rectangle are 150 plus 120 plus 150 plus 120 is equal to, we have to add by horizontal addition. Now 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 12 plus 2 14, carry 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore the perimeter of field is 540 meter. Okay, thank you for watching the video.